Okay, so the first time I actually got a digital cell, like a digital core cell, digital product cell while I was sleeping, I almost couldn't believe it. Not because I had not heard of the concept before, and this was well before everyone else had been talking about it, right? So when I first got that cell, I woke up in the morning, I saw that I had made a cell, and I was elated, I was shocked, I was surprised. I had like all of these emotions that were taking place all at once. And again, not because it was unusual, but because I had spent so much time actually believing that I had to be present for every cell, like I had to make every single cell. So selling without you means that the system makes the cell, not you. It's the actual system that makes the cell. And I want to kind of cover that today so that you get a better understanding and you actually have a potential to be able to do the same thing that I do on a regular basis, and that is bring in cells while I'm sleeping, bring in cells while I'm doing other things. All right, so that the system is working and you're not actively working on bringing in the cells. All right, so there's four components to this thing, and all of them are kind of connected here. All of them are connected, right? It's the traffic, and I'm gonna actually play with my pen here. So it's the traffic that arrives without you having to post every single day, unless you want to, and we'll talk about that. And then it's the lead magnet, and the lead magnet is super important, right? Because that traffic funnels into your lead magnet. It's the lead magnet that captures the right person automatically, all right? And then it's the email sequence, which is part of one of my favorites. I mean, all of these work together, but it's the email sequence that builds trust without you having to write it live for every single prospect that comes to your funnel, right? So if someone comes over here to your lead magnet, they're they're part of your traffic equation, right? Whether they saw one of your paid ads, your YouTube videos, your social media posts, they go over there and they opt into your lead magnet. Now you don't have to write a new email for every single person, right? You've got this email sequence that builds trust without you having to do that, right? And then you've got the automated offer that converts while you're actually doing something else. And again, it could be that sleeping, it could be on the beach. I'm about to go head out to the beach and join my wife out there who's already out there. Um, and when all four of these are working, when you have all four of these working, your course, your book, your whatever it is that you're selling, right? They are getting that attention without you having to be there. So when any one of these is missing, guess what happens? You become the missing piece. All right. Now stay with me on this because I'm going to show you the one component of the system that most people actually build last. It's this one thing that most people actually build last. That's a terrible question mark, right? When it actually should be the first thing that they build out. Like it should be the very first thing that you build out. And hopefully after watching this video, it'll be the first thing that you build out if you haven't already started to build out some of these other pieces. And if you have, then you can go back and you can build this out, right? So most people never find this out, but it will change how you build everything from here. All right. Now, here's the thing. When I talked about this email sequence that's over here in the lower right? The automated email sequence is the engine of the selling system. Like without your emails going out, you have, like the chances of someone going in and buying decreases because very few people are going to come in and visit your sales page and buy that first time. Like we have a very high conversion rate. Like we'll get like, about 7 or 8% of people that actually come in, and that's 7 or 8 out of every 100, which is really high, right? But typically, you'll see just like 1 to 2 individuals, 1 to 2% out of 100 that will visit your sales page and actually order the very first time, right? Most of your orders will come from you sending emails out and doing it automatically, and your system sending these emails out, right? And then driving people back to your sales page. It's through that repetition. It's through them seeing your offer multiple times. It's them getting comfortable with you. It's them knowing, liking, and trusting you, right? So now the cool thing about this is with these emails, you write them once and they run forever. So you get a new person that comes in, they'll get those emails. You get another person, that person gets those emails, right? Without you having to go in and write them all over again. So here's how it works. So email number one will actually deliver the lead magnet. So when someone comes in and they opt in and they get your freebie, and I've got another video on my channel where I talk about lead magnets and how you properly set them up and some of the things that actually can make really good lead magnets. You should go watch that video after this one, right? So email number one is going to deliver that lead magnet. It's going to just give that person who opted in, who gave you their name, email address, access to that freebie, that checklist, that report, whatever it is, that piece of software that you promised them, right? It's also going to introduce yourself and possibly even ask one or two questions. Sometimes we'll ask them, hey, what do you most need help with, right? What are you looking to achieve? What's your big problem? Just to kind of open up the floodgates there. Now, email number two, here's what email number two is going to do. It's going to teach one very useful thing. It's going to give them massive amounts of benefit, like massive amounts of just like feel good effort. So it's going to teach them one thing. You're really not going to sell in email number two, right? Email number three is going to teach another useful thing, but you're still going to be kind of coy about selling. So if you do sell, it's in that PS statement. By the way, take a look at this. You opted in for our free report. You might be interested in this thing as well. And that's where you lead them to your course, your book, your coaching program, your live event, whatever it is that you're selling, right? So you're giving value here, but there's no selling. You're giving value here again, and there's no selling or just a little bit of selling. Here you're delivering the lead magnet, and then you're introducing yourself. Hey, this is me, Ty Cohen, right? And then you're going to ask them maybe one or two questions just to kind of get to know a little bit more about what their major problem is and what they're looking to achieve. Email number four, right, is going to share a story about the transformation that your program, your book can provide to them. And if you're someone who has a fiction book, you can talk about the characters. You could talk about how you developed this thing. You could talk about the plot, the outline a little bit, right? You could talk about their journey, the characters' journeys. Give a little bit of insight as to who the characters are. You can also talk about how you came up with this idea. Like, what was the issue that you had? If it's a course or if it's a nonfiction book, what was the issue that you had and you overcame, right? Or what was the thing that you saw so many other people struggling with and suffering with that you knew you had a solution to and you wanted to go and provide that problem to, or the solution to that problem to other people, all right? So email number four is going to share a story of some sort, right? So a story, and it could be a story about the transformation that either they will experience by going through your course, your book, or that you went through, how you came through, you came up with your solution, and then you had to put this thing together. All right. So, uh, number five, email number five, you go in and you make the sell. All right. Hey, here's the thing. You opted in, you showed interest, you saw, you stated that you had this problem here. Here's a solution. Like, this is the ultimate solution here. This thing can help you out. You talk about the benefits. You talk about how other people have gotten benefit from it. If you have testimonials and things like that, that you can actually share in email number five, right? So you've got five emails that were written one time. Like, you wrote these things one time. You add them to your automation, and they go out new subscriber after new subscriber after new subscriber, right? Every new subscriber goes through that same sequence automatically. Every day, whether you're working or not, every night, whether you're sleeping, whether you're on vacation, it doesn't matter. Once you set it up, this is truly a set it and forget it, right? You set up your emails and you forget it. I've got emails that I have been running for, I mean, 7 years now, 8 years, right? We go in, we set them up, and as long as it's evergreen, your product, your course, your book, you really don't have to change anything as long as those emails are performing, right? Now, the next thing is, and I'm going to go back to my diagram over here because we're going to talk about before selling system, right? The funnel is the machine. Like you're funneling people from your traffic into your lead magnet, right? And then you're signing up for they're getting your emails, they're going to go see your offer. After they opt into your lead magnet, some of those people are going to be redirected to your sales page, right? So that's your funnel. The funnel is just a path. It's taken someone from being a prospect, like a stranger, to a subscriber and to hopefully a buyer, right? So evergreen means that that path works at any time. Like I said, I've got some emails that have still been going out 7 years now. I set them up 7 years ago and boom, they're still going out as long as we drive traffic to it, right? So this works not only during a launch, it works not just when you're promoting something.
Hey, really quickly, I want to let you in on something. If you are a coach, if you're an author, and you want to learn how to monetize your knowledge, one of the best ways to do so is by creating digital courses. I've created dozens of digital courses. I've taught it to tens of thousands of people. And now I want to give you a free training that shows you how to go in and monetize your knowledge by turning it into a digital course that you can sell. Visit the link that you see on your screen or simply type in Ty Cohen, TYCOHEN.com/digital.
It works every day, all year. All right. Every day and all night, every night, all year, as long as you've got traffic going through it. And I have a video where I talk about how do you get traffic, right? So the Evergreen funnel has 3 pages to it. So it's got, oh, so my iPad has gone crazy here. So this Evergreen funnel has 3 pages, right? It's got the opt-in, and this is where you're asking for the name and email address. Captures the subscriber. Then you're going to have either your thank you page or your sales page. So you could say thank you here, check your email, right? Or what I do is I still send them to my sales page and I put a little note up here that says thank you. Check your email in a few minutes. By the way, here's something that you might be interested in. Now, this is the full course, right? That goes into much more detail than what your lead magnet might go into, okay? So you've got the opt-in and then your thank you page, or the opt-in and then your sales page with a thank you note at the very top that says, hey, look, you've got this thing, you've got your lead magnet, it should be in your email inbox in a few minutes, and that's it. And this happens automatically. It happens on a schedule you set once, and then you have to never touch it again. All right. So now this is the component that most people build last, and it's the one that actually should be built first. And what I mean by that is it's the traffic component, right? It's the traffic, and then sending that traffic to sign up for your email list. Like this is crucial right here. I think you should understand how to do this even before you go in and do almost everything else, right? Because if you get really good at this and then capturing some of that traffic, then it makes it a lot easier to start selling and you have more people to sell to and you are happier and hopefully if your product is really good, your book is good, they're happy as well. All right. So that's the part now, one of the best for traffic, one of the best free evergreen traffic sources for someone who's selling a book, a digital course, coaching, a membership, for me is YouTube. And the reason why is because you create a YouTube video and it's there forever. Like it's literally uh, going to send people, like people are going to watch that YouTube video for years to come. And here's the thing, as you go in and you create more YouTube videos, you're going to get better at it. Like right now is the worst that you ever can be. But if you go in and you dedicate and like you totally commit to creating a new YouTube video every week, you'll get better and better and better and better, right? So a YouTube video posted today, keep sending traffic for years, not just for the week that you posted it, all right? For years. So every video that you have already posted is working right now. Now might not be getting a ton of traffic, right? Because you're not really consistent with it. But commitment and the consistency are things that are going to really get you far. And that's what most people suffer from. They don't have a consistency and they're not committed. But when you tie both of those, you've got consistency and you are committed to getting better and better and better. Each time you become unstoppable. Unstoppable. Right? So that takes a level of discipline. Discipline is doing the things that you need to do even when you don't feel like doing them. When you have that discipline and then you tie in the commitment and consistency, you go beyond being unstoppable, right? You start to do some things that you never thought that you could even imagine doing, right? So that's it. Look, everything that I just shared with you lives inside one platform for me. And if you want to go in and figure out how do you go in and have an easier way than most to set up all of these automations, you go load up your email one time. You've got a way to send people to your lead magnet, and that's done one time, right? You deliver that lead magnet to them. I use what's known as the automatic marketing system. It's AMS for short, right? The automatic marketing system. We set up everything for opt-in page using this process. We set up the sales page, for thank you page, for automated email sequence, for payment processing, the community. All of it is in one place right here. So you're not piecing together 5 or 6 different tools. You're not paying a ton of money to all of these different platforms. And there's no wondering if the integrations are working. And your contacts, your leads, your customers are all in one central hub. All right. One platform, the whole machine. So I'm going to give you a free 30-day trial to this. It's actually in the description. I'll ask my team to go in and put a link in the description. Um, when you're ready, and hopefully right now is that moment when you're ready to build a machine that works for you when you're traveling, when you're sleeping, when you're on vacation, right? Even when you're not working, go check out the link for the AMS. Sign up now and get that 30-day trial because I don't know at what point we're actually going to discontinue that. So I'd rather you get it now than later so that you don't miss out, right? Now, here's the thing. Most people think that the goal is to stop working. That's not the goal. That's not what this is all about, right? The goal is to stop trading your time for every single sale so that your time is free for the things that you actually like doing, the things that actually require you in your business, like creating the product, building those relationships, being present for the people in your life who deserve your full attention. The system does not replace you, it frees you up. It gives you that bandwidth so that you can do other things, right? You build the machine, then go live the life that you built it for. And that's it. That's how you do it. So once you have a machine in place, the next question that most people ask is, what is the funnel? How do I properly set it up? What are the pages that are going to be a must-have for me? Because there's other pages outside of the opt-in page, the sales page, and the thank you page that you should be having in there as well. And do I actually need a funnel, right? Because a lot of people use the word funnel, but very few people can actually tell you exactly what it is and whether it applies to what they sell, right? So in the next video, what is a funnel? Do you need one? I give you a clear, simple answer and show you exactly what type of funnel best fits your business. And that video is actually going to be right here. All right, so it's going to be right here. You go in and check that video out and piece all of this stuff together. You'll be glad that you did.